3號強風信號生效，喺晚上7點，熱帶風暴馬力斯集結喺香港嘅西南大約300公里，即係喺北緯20.7度、東經111.9度附近。預料初時移動緩慢，稍後向北移動，時速約15公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸。按照現時預測路徑，馬力斯會喺今晚至聽日凌晨喺廣東西部沿岸登陸，隨後會移入內陸地區。佢嘅南側嘅廣闊強雨帶會逐漸影響珠江口一帶，嗰區有大驟雨同強風，高地聽日間中吹烈風。預料3號強風信號會至少維持至聽朝早6點，除非馬力斯迅速增強或者採取較為接近本港嘅路徑，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會甚低。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. At 7 p.m., tropical storm Malik C was estimated to be about 300 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.7 degrees north, 111.9 degrees east, and is forecast to be slow-moving at first, and then move northwards later, at about 15 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the western coast of Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Malik C will make landfall at the coast of western Guangdong tonight, to early tomorrow morning. It will then move into inland areas. The extensive intense rain bands to its south will gradually affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. There will be heavy showers and strong winds over the regions. There will be occasional gale winds on high ground tomorrow. It is expected the strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Unless Malik C intensifies rapidly or adopts a track closer to Hong Kong, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals will be rather low. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.